Oh, there you go. What's good, y'all? It's your man SUAVE or whatever, and I'm back with another video. Now today, we got my boy Burr. Helicopter Story, and it's an animation version. I guess they couldn't do the real version because they got copyright. So we're gonna react to listen to this one. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Let's get into the video.
I saw this story down in Orange County, right? Down in Orange County, California, this guy gave helicopter tours for 30 years. 30 years without incident. Hands the business off to his son. The American dream. I built it up for 30 years. Here you go, son. Make the family, and the family ain't proud. Hey, Dad, I love you. Right? This poor kid, 5 days in. He's supposed to give a tour to a couple. Only the dude shows up. The kid thought it was weird. He's like, I need the money. I gotta give him a tour. Right? So he takes this guy up. 10 minutes into the tour, the dude fucking jumped out.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
As a helicopter pilot, I'm sitting here like, I'm already nervous. I'm trying to get this bread, whatever. And my first passenger just jumps out. No parachute, no fucking rope. Like, I'm done. I'm done with this. Like, I'm terrified now at this point. Like, I don't want to have nothing to do with helicopters at this point. Like, that's wild. This nigga head wild too.
5 days in. 5 days in for the balloons and the cake. We love you, son. Keep the family tree going. The traditional life. 5 fucking days later, this kid, he probably barely had the speech down. Just sitting there flying a helicopter. All right, if you look out the left side of the aircraft, that's Orange County. There's over 27 miles of beaches. Now, put your seatbelt back on. 27 miles of beaches. Was established as a county in 1903. Sir, please don't open the door, sir. No!
He said, fuck that, man.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What the fuck? What the fuck?
He's still looking.
Fuck! Air traffic control. I don't know who's on this frequency, but you really need some fucking helicopter.
The radio.
5 days in. So I read further into the story. Turns out the guy who jumped out, he was 61 years old, terminally ill. He was in pain every day. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with him, and he had had enough. At that point, that guy immediately became a hero in my world, right? You know what I love about him? Not only did he make the decision, he didn't go out like some pussy, right? Handful of pills, watching a romantic comedy.
God damn, that ain't. This ain't strong as shit.
Guy went out like a man. Take me up in a chopper. I'm looking at the land I love, and then I'm jumping out like a superhero. I loved it. Yeah. This guy should have been wearing a fucking cape. I can't imagine how elated he must have been on that helicopter ride up after finally, just taking back control of his life. Like, fuck you, disease. I decide. Ripping tubes out, gets a burger, shotguns a beer, take me up in the chop, he probably had his fucking foot on the dashboard. He's not even listening to this guy giving the tour, right? Over 27 miles of beaches. What's your seatbelt?
He not thinking about nothing. All he do, he's just ready to jump. Like, whatever you talk about, whatever. Like, I came here for one reason and one reason only. That's why I came without my wife. End it all, like. He didn't even want a helicopter ride, like.
Established as a county in 1903. Sir, please don't try that. Don't! Here's the thing. I left out one small thing. There is one small thing. The guy fucking lived.
Oh, he fell over.
500 feet up, you'd think that would be enough, so I'm thinking he must have gone in like Greg Louganis, like no splash. But witnesses said it looked like a dummy was falling out of the air, so that sounds like a hell of an impact. I think he accidentally did the most epic 500-foot belly flop in the history of jumping out of a hell.
He fell in some water from 500 feet, bro. Yo, something is broken, because I know that hurt. You know how you jump? I jump from, you know when you're in the pool and you stand on the little, I guess you climb up and go on the ground and you just jump from the ground onto the pool like this. And you feel like at first it feel like you smacking against something hard, like smacking against something hard, pause. Smacking against like it feel like the ground at first and then you go in the water. Imagine from 500 feet, bro. My nigga was already 61, had some issues with his body. How did he end up? Let me find out, because that's
Helicopter, you know?
That's wild.
But that didn't change what he was trying to do. Where his heart was, I still love this guy. I just feel bad for him. Just on the way down, he's got to be thinking 3 more seconds of pain, 2 more seconds. Wham! Oh my God, this is worse! This is way worse! It has a happy ending though. He later died at the hospital.
Hey, yo.
So here's to him. God bless him. I hope I have the balls someday.
That nigga like a zebra in the hospital. Hey, yo. At least he. Why do we sound happy that he died though? Like, I guess because he's like, he a soldier, like he really. I don't know, bro. I'm confused. Whether I should be happy or should I be sad? Like, is it a bad story or is it a happy ending for real? Like, I don't know, bro. But hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Shout out to who made this? Who made this animated? Shout out to the dude who animated. What is it? Mark Reno. Shout out to Mark Reno. You killed the imagery, bro. Cause now I can do this without getting copyrighted. Shout out to you. You should do this to more Bill Burr videos. I appreciate it. A like, comment, and subscribe if you know. It's your SUAVE or whatever. And I'm out of here. See you on the flip side and comment some more Bill Burr videos. I'm out of here.
I gotta make it out. 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 Had to go and leave my mama house. Had to go and leave my sister.